Welcome to Soul Garden. Are you looking for a natural, easy-to-make, and effective fertilizer recipe for various plants in your garden, especially Anthuriums? Then today's video is just for you. I will guide you through a very simple, easy-to-make, and effective organic fertilizer recipe that can be applied to all types of plants in your home garden, from Anthuriums, lilies, to other flowering or ornamental plants using familiar ingredients that are readily available, even right in your kitchen. You'll be amazed to see your garden plants thriving with vigorous new shoots, glossy green leaves, and especially flowering plants like Anthuriums blooming vibrantly year-round. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To make the fertilizer, I will first use a banana. If you have ripe, soft bananas like this, don't throw them away. We can fully utilize them to create a wonderful natural fertilizer for plants. I start by chopping the banana into small pieces like this. Bananas are rich in potassium, a crucial nutrient during the plant's preparation for flowering or when it's in the blooming phase. Potassium helps stimulate bud formation, making flowers bloom larger, more beautiful, and longer lasting. I will put all the chopped banana into a blender. To enhance the nutrients, I will add a few clean, dried eggshells. Eggshells are very rich in calcium, an essential mineral that helps plants develop strong root systems, supports the formation of new cell tissues, and increases resistance to fungal diseases and harsh weather conditions. When plants have enough calcium, their leaves become greener, sturdier, and the flowering process is more stable and sustainable. Eggshells also help make the soil more porous and slightly balance the pH of the growing medium. I will add about 500 milliliters of filtered water to make the mixture easier to blend smoothly. Then, blend thoroughly until the mixture is very fine and uniform. Blending well helps the nutrients in the banana, and eggshells penetrate deeply into the soil, allowing the roots to absorb them faster, thus increasing the fertilizer's effectiveness. Next, I use a sieve or thin cloth to filter out the pulp, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Filtering out the pulp ensures the mixture doesn't clog the soil or the nozzle when using a spray bottle. The liquid obtained is the purest and most absorbable nutrient source for plants. This will be the solution we use to care for flowering and ornamental plants in the garden. I will dilute this solution with 1.5 liters of clean water. Method 1. I use this solution to wipe the leaves of the plants in the garden. You only need to prepare a soft cotton pad, then dip it into the prepared solution. You can see that this Anthurium plant has a fairly thick layer of dust on the surface of its leaves and flowers, which hinders the natural photosynthesis process. First, I wipe the leaves of the Anthurium. Anthuriums have large, glossy leaves that easily collect dust and dirt, especially if you haven't cared for them in a while. Wiping the leaves not only removes dust, helping the leaves breathe better, but also allows the plant to absorb nutrients directly through the leaf surface. This solution contains potassium and calcium, two extremely important nutrients for anthuriums. Potassium helps stimulate the plant to bloom more evenly with larger flowers, vibrant colors, longer-lasting blooms, and better shape retention. Calcium helps leaves become thick and sturdy, reducing leaf burn or yellow spots, while also strengthening the leaf cell structure to make the plant healthier. Clean leaves optimize the photosynthesis process, enabling the plant to generate energy to nourish roots, shoots, and enhance the flowering cycle. I gently wipe from the base to the tip of each leaf to avoid scratching the surface. You'll see after a few wipes, the anthurium leaves become lush, glossy, and radiant, a sign of a happy plant ready to bloom. Then I wipe the leaves of the lily, a plant with long, glossy leaves that also easily collect dust. Wiping the leaves with this solution not only cleans, but also helps the leaves absorb nutrients directly. Potassium helps the plant form buds earlier and produce longer-lasting flowers, while calcium strengthens the stem, keeps leaves lush, and reduces leaf drop due to weather. Method 2. You should prepare a dedicated spray bottle with a fine mist nozzle like this. I pour the solution into a dedicated spray bottle and mist evenly over the plants. Misting helps cool the leaves while allowing the plant to quickly absorb nutrients through the leaf surface. For anthuriums, this method is ideal. Potassium stimulates continuous bud formation, producing even, vibrant, and long-lasting flowers. Calcium helps combat fungal diseases on leaves, enhances glossiness, and stabilizes leaf color. For plants like lilies in the stem and leaf development phase, calcium is crucial for strengthening cell walls, preventing lodging, leaf drop, and wilting. For orchids like Phalaenopsis, you can absolutely apply this method as well. It's especially best to mist in the early morning to allow the leaves to dry during the day, reducing the risk of mold. Method 3. I water this solution directly at the base of the plants in the garden, especially the anthurium. If a plant lacks potassium and calcium, you'll easily notice signs like soft, yellowing, or burnt edge leaves or slow flowering. Flowers may be small, misshapen, or quick to wilt. Potassium helps anthuriums maintain a regular blooming cycle. Flowers bloom large, last longer, and retain vibrant colors for longer. Calcium supports strong roots, prevents root rot, and increases resilience in humid or erratic weather conditions. Watering at the base is an effective way to deliver nutrients directly to the roots, the most critical part in nourishing the entire plant. I usually apply this method every 15 to 20 days to maintain stable soil moisture and provide consistent nutrients. You can use it for all types of plants in the garden: anthuriums, lilies, phalaenopsis orchids, outdoor flowering plants. After watering, place the plant in a cool, airy spot, avoiding harsh sunlight to help it absorb nutrients easily. Results after 3 months. If you consistently apply this method every 15 to 20 days, you'll see significant changes. Anthuriums produce vigorous shoots with white, plump, and sturdy roots. The plant produces more buds, with flowers blooming large, thick-petaled, richly colored, and long-lasting. Leaves become dark green, thick and glossy. Signs of yellowing leaves, burnt edges, or wilting roots gradually disappear. This is one of the natural, simple, and cost-effective methods you can apply to your entire garden. For Phalaenopsis orchids, when applying this method consistently, you'll easily notice the difference. The plant stays healthy, with fresh green leaves, a stable root system, and the most wonderful thing is the continuous appearance of flower buds, with vibrant and much longer-lasting blooms. This is a rewarding result for the meticulous care and love you dedicate to your plants. If you find today's video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to not miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next video.